official. We got the, I don't know if you can see it, Chiang Mai. 1:30 is the fallout date. I just left the train station in Hua Hin. The dude was totally awesome, you know what I'm saying? Let me pick my departure time. I can't buy the ticket right now, but I can buy it at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, which is weird because it's like right before the train leaves. So I'm so ready to go to Chiang Mai. So I did just now get the information. Excuse me. I just now got the info that it's only 10 baht or 44 baht to get from here to Hua Hin. And then also it's only another 310 baht to get from Chiang Mai to, or from Hua Hin, from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. So I'm super excited. The dude was super clear on the instructions. All I gotta do is get 400 baht cash because they don't accept Visa. And then I also gotta go ahead and turn up one time because I'm so ready for Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Pai that it's ridiculous. So all I gotta do is show up here at 1:30. People love this train station because it runs right through Hua Hin. It's super convenient, goes straight to Bangkok. You know what they say, all roads lead to Bangkok, baby. So I'm skipping Bangkok, I'm going straight to Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, and Pai. And we gonna see what's really in the jungle for real in Thailand. So, I mean, I'm just so stoked because versus paying $40, $50, $60 for a flight from here to Chiang Mai, I'm really gonna just focus on traveling how the locals travel so that, because that's how you gonna stay in the Thailand forever, you know what I'm saying? So you could get them good savings. Always eat where the locals eat, travel how they travel, and you're gonna be living good. You ain't really got no worries. So it's all about butter, making your money spread out as far as you can while you're having the time of your life, while everybody else is sitting at home. So let's go. I'm super pumped. I'll be here at 1:30 tomorrow with my 400 baht in hand. That's like $12. So I'm so excited. And we're gonna see where this road leads us. Keep a high vibration. Pure love. This is my last day in Hua Hin, but best believe, if I'm feeling lonely, feeling like I need that good love in nature, then I'll be right back to you, Hua Hin. This is my last day riding my baby back there. I feel so spoiled. Look at that beautiful train station that just takes you anywhere you want to go for super cheap. But on the bike, I feel so spoiled. So today, it's really all about me hitting the beach, enjoying the sunshine, and going to all my favorite places that I love, including places to eat, including my favorite beach, including Monkey Temple. You already know. So your boy's on some monkey vibes. You see this high vibrational sun rising in the sky. So ready to go check out Chiang Mai. I could literally stay in Hua Hin forever, but it's time to go, baby. It's time to go. Just called us to the top of the station. You can definitely see all the mountains. That's just the thing that I love about Thailand is it feels like every corner you go to, you can see a beautiful mountain scene. Sunsets are crazy with the mountains. This is
Attention please, the arriving train is ordinary train number
really feel the peace in this station. So hop on this train. I'm gonna sit down the most I can. Enjoy the ride the most I can. Let's go. Okay, so it literally said I didn't have a seat, but I clearly got my own seat, my own room. And you know that's where I'm finna be standing. I'm finna be doing it like Sebastian from the 80s. What they call him? You know, the light-skinned dude. Wild Wild West. Come on, let's go. I'm kind of scared. This is my first time taking a train. My first time. It's so beautiful. can't get no food. Okay. It's okay. Thank you, bro. So I'm finna snack because I'm hungry already. So you know we in Asia, so we gotta eat with our fingers anyway. He ain't have a spoon. Craziest looking mango I ever seen. And you could just eat the peel too. So sweet. $2. Train, they sell you every fucking thing on the train, but you ain't gonna be hungry, I know that. It's official. We got the, I don't know if you can see it, Chiang Mai. So we'll be there. They keep pushing it back, so it's gonna at least be 12:30 until I get there, so that's late. So they said that this train was full, so now I gotta wait till 10:30 instead of 8:30, instead of 8 a.m. arriving, instead of 10, now it's 10:30, now it's 12:30. So, but that'll be cool, that'll be very perfect because I can't even check into no rooms until like 2 p.m. So that's the rules, baby. We on perfect timing. This gives me some time to just relax, smoke, and throw a joke. Dealing with new matrices and having to be humble while I'm here too, you know, and really touching people while I'm here. That's the whole point. It ain't to, whoa, look at me, I'm having fun on this channel. It's to really be on a mission of you really touching people and you really feeling the Asian vibration, you know what I'm saying? Not just that people give off, but the vibration that Asia herself gives off in nature. So it's more or less God speaking to me and telling me that I didn't come for the vibration of the people. Although the vibration of the people has switched, I still can't depend on that. The only vibration I can depend on to re-hypnotize myself and free myself from the multidimensional slavery that's happening in this world is to look back at Mother Nature, look at the trees. You know, it said in the Book of Thomas, one of them lost books, that the wicked man's reward will be his own trap. And the righteous man will have his reward in looking upon the earth as his paradise. The gardens will be his paradise. So I love y'all, man. It's been so crazy in Asia so far. I so look forward to turning up. There's a lot of things in me saying, oh, since money is limited, your time is limited here, but everything's figured out for me. I'm
saying, talking to my mom on the phone, she's like, everything that you need has been prepared for you already. Man doesn't eat by bread and bread alone. So turn up, let's go!